comes a whole squadron of King Koopa's bombers.
Good going, guys.
Not good enough. Those other Albatross are up to something.
It's an avalanche! Let's get out of here!
I hate to run on an empty stomach.
Mommy knows best, little cheapie.
Look, lady, I got 10 gold coins. They're yours if you just let me go.
I'll let you go, sweetum, at 30,000 feet.
A fire flower!
I'm hungry enough to eat anything.
No, it's magic. If you can reach it, you can become a Super Mario and get special fire power that can destroy King Koopa's evil helpers.
That's easy. Come on, Luigi. Patty cake, pasta man. Give me pasta power as fast as you can. Pasta power! I love when that happens.
For badness below and behind the call of cruelty, I, the devious King Koopa, bestow these medals of the Double Cross.
We have important news, you Royal Koopas. The princess and her plumbers survived the avalanche.
They what? You bungling beak geek blew it! Ah! I'll have to lead the next attack myself!
I'd pay $200 for a nice pepperoni cheesecake right now. Who called me cheap? I'll pay $300.
Look!
What is that thing?
It's a baby bird, oh Luigi, and it needs our help. It's frozen inside the ice.
Stand back.
Mommy! Little Cheepy wants Mommy! Do you think his mommy is the one who took Toad?
Here we are, little cheapie. 30,000 feet. Now Mommy will let you fly. Happy landings.
Lady, I'm not a bird! The least that Featherbrain could have done was lend me a parachute. Hey, that's it! A parachute!
Are you all right?
I feel great! I just passed my first flying lesson. Hey! It's me! I mean, him! It's little Cheepy! The Fido's real lost baby!
Little Cheepy wants his mommy! Toad! Do you know where his mommy is?
No! I'm not going back up there! Never! Okay. Maybe if I take you back, she'll leave me alone.
Start climbing, paisano. We'll stay here and keep King Koopa occupied.
King Koopa? Where?
Hey, Super Mario! Super Koopa-Koos!
Koopa Troopa Pack! Attack! Put out that Super Plumber's fire!
without superpowers.
It's too late, Princess. They got us surrendered.
It's all over, scum scrubbers! Ah! Who threw that vegetable?
We did!
Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird. The bird is a word. A bird.
Retreat!
Bird is a word.
Retreat!
A bird is a word. A bird.
Come on, sweeties! We've got to make the world safe for little Cheepy! Let's get those insects!
I told her how you rescued a baby. She wanted to help.
About the bird, well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Bird is a word.
I'll be back! You haven't heard the last of King Koopa!
Well,
Thanks,
everybody's heard
sweetie.
about the bird.
Couldn't have done it without you.
You saved my little Cheepy! Would you like to come to dinner?
Dinner? That's the best news I've heard in days.
I cooked this just for you, Mario. My favorite recipe.
My favorite dish, spaghetti.
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?
I've never been so insulted in my whole life.